Welcome to my channel. My name is Amber Kelly, and today is February the 3rd, and it is about 8:45. Tomorrow I will be having surgery, so I am extremely nervous. I am scared and some more nervousness. Um, the last couple of days I have been doing a lot of stuff and I have not picked up my phone to vlog it, but what I will show you is what I have in my bag. And I did get the call today that my surgery will be tomorrow at 7:45, but I need to be at the hospital at 6:15, so I plan to vlog that whole journey as well. So yeah, so today was a whole lot of um, people was calling to check on me. Yeah. There's a patch that is behind my ear that I was supposed to wear. Something about me having motion sickness. I don't know. But I put it behind my ear. There was a prescription that the doctor gave me. And what else? I had food brought to my home. Um, Lovely ladies at my church cooked a couple of casserole dishes. So for the first couple of days, I don't have to cook anything, or while I'm gone, um, they don't have to worry about cooking anything and burning up my home. So that was that. And also with the surgery, they will put me on a 23-hour observation. So I will not be going home the same day, but sometime the next day I will be going home, which is totally fine with me. I just did not want to do that whole do your surgery one day and go home the same day. I did that before and I turned around and had a whole infection in my stomach. So I was not trying to do that again. All of my clothes are washed up. Um, my covers are washed up that I'm taking with me. I have a bad habit of when I go to the hospital, I like to use my covers just because I'm already nervous and my covers come from home, so I feel like a little piece of home is with me. So yeah, initially when I had my bags packed, I think I overpacked, but it did come down a lot. I do have some stuff in there, so if need be that I need to stay an extra day or two, I do have clothes in my bag um, that, or not in my bag, but on top of my couch. So if I need to send somebody by my house to get some clothes for me, they can go right to my couch and get it. And yeah, um, I just got out of the shower. I was told to take a shower with Dial soap, and I could not put on any deodorant. I couldn't even put on any lotion. And the worst thing when getting out of the shower is when you feel rusty. And I feel really rusty. So I'm itching to put on some lotion, but I can't put on any. So it's like, um, yeah, I have until 12 midnight to eat. Um, Actually, I'm done eating. I think I ate all that I was going to eat. Um, yeah, so it's literally a waiting game. So I'm going to get up about 5:30. Yeah, 5:30. Since I have everything packed, I don't really have to just um, be up at the crack of dawn, which it is still crack of dawn. But I just want to be up long enough to hug and kiss on the kids goodbye and all of that. And yeah, so I think that is about it. Like I said, I just got out of the shower, sitting here laid back. Uh, there was some bleeding of my stomach, so that is really making me nervous. It's just like my stomach is continuously bleeding, so that is the whole thing. Um, so yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what all that I am bringing. Yeah, I'm going to show you what all that I am going to be bringing, and let's get to it. So I am going to show you what I got. So as you can see, this is my stomach, and I ate just like a kid-sized plate full of food, but this is my stomach. This is all endometriosis right here. And that is my back. Now normally it's a little bit swollen than this, but normally this is how my stomach sits out. I'm about 190, 192. Technically I should be at 160 something, so yeah. This is what I'm going to wear. I just have on some purple leggings and this top and my bra, because I have to get up so early in the morning. I didn't feel like doing the whole change of clothes thing. I took my shower and I just put this on so when I get up, I could just get up. I will be wearing my yellow shirt for endometriosis. So please comment down below #WarriorSquad with a yellow heart hashtag at the bottom of the comments, just as supporting me. So I do have this, so if I'm up and I'm just looking around and I'm not doing anything, I brought my social media planner and my catch-all planner, just to write some stuff down. Probably going to edit some because I do have some videos on my phone that I can go ahead and do, and my pens. So this is what that looks like. And like I said, this is my catch-all planner, that is my pens, and this is my social media planner. So for entertainment, my phone and this will be coming. And these two, I'm not exactly sure yet, but either both of these or just this cover will be coming with me to the hospital. I am potentially going to bring my body pillow because, like I said, I cannot sleep without this thing. I always sleep with it, so more than likely I'm going to be bringing that as well. These are bag of cups. I'm going to put some in a Ziploc bag, so if I'm up and the cafeteria is closed and I want to snack on something, then I have that. Y'all, I feel so rusty without some lotion or some Vaseline. I can't even put Vaseline on. Yeah. Crazy. And I know what I had. So this is where I got all my personal hygiene stuff. Like I said, lotion, body wash. Just in case if I stay a little bit longer than I thought I was going to stay, I have that in here. And like I said, this is hypoallergenic body wash. It's for babies, and I have some Aveeno lotion, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant. I have some lip chapping here because y'all know your lips can get chapped. And I have some hand sanitizer. I need to get a big bottle here. I forgot to get some, so I got some little travel size bottles. I'm just going to put them here. And I have a underwear. I have a black tights set with the long sleeve shirt. I have another long sleeve shirt just in case I mess this one up because my stomach probably will be bleeding So if I mess this shirt up, I have this extra shirt here, and then I have a tank top, and I have my house coat, I have my my drying towel and my wash towel, and I have three pair of socks, and I have my heating pad, and that is about it. Oh yeah, and I have my dial soap. So, like I said, if I'm here longer than I thought I was going to be, I have soap. I have a change of clothes. I have my towels. I have my house coat. I have extra pair of clothes. So, yeah, that is pretty much it. And like I said, I have to get up pretty early. I have my house shoes on. I'm not going to bring any shoes. I'm just going to bring my house shoes because I will be picked up. So, and plus when I coming straight home from the hospital, I'm coming home. I'm not going to do any shopping or anything like that. So, yeah. And that is about it. Like I said, my pillow, my body pillow, and either both of these or one of these, my little planner bag, and then my little personal duffel bag with my just little overnight stuff, and my jacket, and that is about it. Like I said, I have my lip chap and all that kind of stuff in my bag, so we're just waiting on surgery time now. So, like I said, that was all for tonight. I will greatly appreciate prayers, 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 and more prayers. I have been through this before, but when I went through it the first time, they told me it would not come back, and they told me they got it all out. And of course, that was done in Memphis, Tennessee. So I'm here in Chicago, and he is telling me that no, they only just got what was on top instead of opening the area up, getting it out. And I probably will lose some muscles in my stomach, but that is totally fine. I'm at the age now where I don't need a six-pack. I'm fine, sis, without the six-pack. But yeah, I just want to feel better and not just be in pain 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I want to be able to eat what I want. I want to be able to walk. I want to be able to sleep without waking up sweating in pain. I want to be able to be weaned off of my heating pad. I just want to start living again. Endometriosis is different for everybody. Nobody's body is the same. So endometriosis, how endometriosis affects me, it may not affect the next person, or how it affects the next person, it may not affect me in that same way, but it affects us all. So I highly encourage you all to get your bodies checked. When your body is screaming at you, listen, sis. Listen. There were so many times when my body was screaming at me, and I was just like, hold on, body, hold on, body. I got to be somebody's mama right now. I got to be somebody's wife right now. But my body has literally told me that, okay, for the time being right now, you cannot be the best wife and you cannot be the best mother possible if you don't get me fixed. So that is what I'm doing. And like I said, hopefully this doctor gets it all out. I will greatly appreciate that he gets it all out. But yeah, so like I said, I will see you all in the morning vlog. And yeah, so like I said, continue to pray, 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 pray. And I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.